Big news coming in after this visit to Adhampur and, of course, the huddles that we have seen. Another cabinet committee on security meeting to be held tomorrow. That's the big news coming in. Remember, however, this becomes the first CCS meeting right after Operation Sindoor's latest phase. It's an ongoing operation, though. It's the new normal. It's the new policy. But we are expecting a CCS meeting to be held tomorrow. As and when the timing is confirmed, we'll tell you. Remember, of course, this will be at Prime Minister's residence. But it's in the backdrop of almost a daily huddle, a daily meeting that has been happening. Whether it's with regard to Raksha Mantri, the CDS, the NSA, or of course the Tri-Services Chiefs, it is significant of how these huddles and meetings usually lead to a big decision on the ground as much. At least what we have seen in the past few days, especially after the Pahalgam massacre. There have been CCS meetings, there have been other huddles as well with the cabinet, and then Operation Sindoor's next phase has been revealed in house. So that's the big news coming in, and a representative image of the past few days to help you understand that these meetings, remember, are not simply about security review right now. It's also about planning ahead when it comes to what needs to be done, one, to keep India protected and safe, and to teach our enemies a lesson. Amid all of this, remember, Prime Minister Modi already stating Operation Sindoor is our new normal and our new policy.
आतंक के विरुद्ध भारत की लक्ष्मण रेखा अब एकदम स्पष्ट है। अब फिर कोई टेरर अटैक हुआ तो भारत जवाब देगा, पक्का जवाब देगा। ये हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक के समय देखा है, एयर स्ट्राइक के समय देखा है, और अब तो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर भारत का न्यू नॉर्मल है। और जैसा मैंने कल भी कहा, भारत ने अब 3 सूत्र तय कर दिए हैं। पहला, भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ, हम अपने तरीके से, अपनी शर्तों पर, अपने समय पर जवाब देंगे। दूसरा, कोई भी न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल भारत नहीं सहेगा। तीसरा, हम आतंक की सरपरस्त सरकार और आतंक के आकाओं को अलग अलग नहीं देखेंगे। दुनिया भी भारत के इस नए रूप को, इस नई व्यवस्था को समझते हुए ही आगे बढ़ रही है।
I want to bring in India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal for the latest on that. Aishwarya, we've seen that usually the CCS meetings in the past few days have led to a certain decision, especially with the ongoing Operation Sindoor. Tell me, how significant will this be? What is the reason, possibly according to your understanding, the CCS will be held tomorrow? Who all will be a part of it?
Well, you know, this is the super cabinet, Pooja, that we are speaking of. And in this cabinet, let me tell you how secretive it is. The minutes are also not made. And we have seen how over the course of the last fortnight, this is the third time that the CCS will take place. It will begin at 11 a.m. tomorrow. It lasts roughly for about 15 to 20 minutes. Crucial decisions are taken in this meeting. In the CCS, it is decided the next course of action, what the government will do next with regards to the warlike situation that we have gone through. Now, one thing is very, very crucial. The top ministers will be told by the Prime Minister that you need to be ready just in case of an eventuality. So that's something that we will see the top ministries looking at, and also maybe a discussion on how next to squeeze Pakistan, because that's something that the government is still looking at doing. We have the ceasefire in place, but there are chances Pakistan might actually violate it. How India will then respond, how our armed forces will then respond, all those things will now be looked at. And the other important thing that we will see is that after the CCS, the cabinet will take place, which means that simultaneously the government is looking at the front. On one side, how we need to make sure that Pakistan is shown its place, but on the other side, the growth that we have seen with regards to India, that does not need to stop. So after the CCS, we will have a cabinet, and then we might see some crucial decisions coming out with regards to the Indian economy in the cabinet decisions.
All right, so we'll be keeping a watch on precisely the kind of meeting that will be held tomorrow. A cabinet committee on security, very crucial, especially at a time at this juncture. Aishwarya, thank you very much. I'll come back to you in a short while with more details on that.